Good morning, my friends. Eligible Americans may receive up to $300 each month until the crisis is over. And this is thanks to a new proposal by lawmakers in Congress. With inflation on the rise, many Democrats are urging President Biden to take executive action and pass a larger monthly benefit boost for all Social Security beneficiaries. Friends, there's a lot of important news to cover in this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Also, share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. In a video later today, I will be announcing the winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway.
Who wouldn't have been able to? Because of that law, we helped to keep a roof over 4 million people's heads who were about to be evicted. And we gave families what my dad used to call just a little bit of breathing room. Just a little bit of breathing room. Because we took action, we created 6.7 million jobs last year, more than any other time in American history. And we hadn't stopped. Last month, we created over 678,000 jobs in February to get us well over 7 million jobs. Unemployment is down 3.8%. The economy grew 5.7%, the best economic growth in the last 4 decades. And the leading financial firm on Wall Street, Moody's, estimates that because of the rescue plan, 4 million more jobs are created. Unemployment is 2% lower than it would have been, and had we failed to ask. And it didn't cause the inflation. Look, there's more to the story than that. Many of you remember when we went through that last financial crisis in 2008, I had the dubious distinction of the president standing before all of you and said, and Sheriff Joe is going to take care of the Recovery Act. Well, guess what? The economy recovered, but underneath the recovery, just like every other recovery in our history, there was a lot of pain, a lot of pain. Republicans in Congress refused to give President Obama the additional recovery funds he asked for. And the truth is, a lot of folks never got back on their feet. A whole lot of young...
All right, my friends. So millions of Americans could receive $300 monthly federal child tax credit permanently. Senator Sherrod Brown wants to make permanent an expanded child tax credit that's helped lifted millions of children out of poverty. The Ohio Democrat has been talking to Republicans, including Utah Senator Mitt Romney, about how to get it accomplished. During the 2021 tax year, the American Rescue Plan, adopted last March, gave eligible parents $300 per month for each child under the age of 6, and $250 for each child ages 6 to 17, including children who turned age 17 in 2021. From July until December, the Internal Revenue Service sent advance payments on the credit to parents on the 15th of each month, so taxpayers would not have to wait until filing their taxes to collect. Senator Brown said that sending the checks to parents reduced the child poverty rate by nearly 40%. He tried to include a permanent version of the credit in the Build Back Better legislation that has stalled in Congress last year, and he's met with Romney to discuss Romney's proposal to make the tax credit permanent, impose work requirements to receive it, and pay for it by repurposing dollars from other social spending programs. The White House released statistics this week that estimated American Rescue Plan's expanded child tax credit benefited millions of families with children. Senator Brown said he and Mitt Romney both believe it's important to subsidize families, but he cautioned the work requirements that Mitt Romney is discussing as a condition for receiving the credit, and it should not be imposed on grandparents who have stepped in to raise kids whose parents might be incapacitated. But he cautioned the work requirements that Mitt Romney is discussing as a condition for receiving the credit should not be imposed on grandparents who have stepped in to raise kids. In a press call, Senator Brown said he is sure that Congress will extend the child tax credit. Brown also stated, "It is going to happen, and I hope it's going to happen in a bipartisan way. My interest is getting it done for over 1 million Ohio families." Senator Rob Portman, an Ohio Republican, has also stated that he's open to expanding the child tax credit as a way to help families that are trying to juggle work responsibilities and childcare obligations, though he expressed concern about the long-term financial ramifications of extending the child tax credit, which can cost the government $185 billion for a single year. Making it permanent would make it cost far more than that. During his State of the Union address last week, President Biden urged extension of the credit and stated, "So no one has to raise a family in poverty." American Rescue Plan coordinator and senior advisor told reporters that the child tax credit is something we all believe in and think is extremely important to get it extended. So my good friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that families should receive monthly payments of $300 permanently? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. My friends, the keyword for this video is ostrich. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. There was a House Democrat proposal to reform Social Security, and it is being reintroduced to Congress. The new version of the bill, dubbed as Social Security 2100, is now aimed at drawing more support from President Biden and Republicans. This new bill combines Biden's proposals with House Ways and Means initiatives to expand and enhance Social Security benefits, said Representative John Larson, who is the chairman of the House Ways and Means Subcommittee on Social Security. The Social Security 2100 Act aims to tie annual cost of living adjustments to the Consumer Price Index for the elderly, or known as CPIE. CNBC News noted that this may better reflect senior expenses. However, some say that the CPIE is an experimental index. That index is not an exact match to the Social Security beneficiary population, and it has not been fully studied. However, some economists claim that a one-time benefit boost would be more effective at reducing poverty. Well, my great friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching all of my videos. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.